intent. The two types of keyword intent that you must target. Notice how the word must in this sentence is in yellow. That is because it is not really optional if you want to get success from affiliate marketing. If you want to rank high on Google, get more traffic and generate more affiliate sales, you need to be targeting both types of keyword intent. So what are those keyword intents I'm referring to? Well, the first is commercial intent keywords, and the second is informational intent keywords. And as I was just saying, without targeting both, you will struggle to rank on Google. Let's dive a little bit deeper to see exactly what both of these means, along with the differences between them. First up, commercial intent keywords. So what is a commercial intent keyword? Commercial intent keywords refers to keywords that have buyer intent behind them. A few examples of commercial intent keywords would be best gaming chair, top 10 gaming chairs, and even gaming chair reviews. All of these keywords have buyer intent behind them. For example, if someone Googles the top 10 gaming chairs, they are looking to buy a gaming chair, they're just interested to know which are the best gaming chairs out there. The same applies to gaming chair reviews and best gaming chair. They all have buyer intent behind them. Pages that target these keywords on your website are called money pages. And the main reason why is because these pages are pretty much the pages which are going to make you money. Moving on to the second type, which is informational intent keywords. So what are these? Informational intent keywords refers to keywords that have an informational or educational intent behind them. So let's look at some examples. An example could be what is a gaming chair? How much are gaming chairs? And even can gaming chairs make you a better gamer? These are all keywords where the user is clearly seeking information and is trying to get educated and get an answer to the question. There is no commercial intent whatsoever. If someone Googles what is a gaming chair, it's very, very unlikely that that person is looking to buy a gaming chair. They're looking to know what a gaming chair is, how they work, the pros and cons. They are very early in the buying cycle and they still need convincing. Pages that target these keywords on your website are called supporting pages because these keywords support the main keywords you are targeting. They're related to your main commercial keywords, but they're not the ones that are going to make you money. However, they still support the main topic you are targeting. So far in this course, we have only found keywords that match the first type, commercial intent keywords. As if we go over to our keyword research master sheet, you can see that pretty much all the keywords we have listed down so far are all commercial intent. Best portable table saw reviews, portable table saw reviews consumer reports, probably not so much that one, but cheap portable table saw, top rated portable table saws, these are all commercial intent keywords. So what we're going to be doing in the next video is to show you how you can find the other key part of keyword research, which is informational intent keywords. See you there.